run, don't fucking pit.
Shots fired! He's shooting. Get down. Yep. Reservoir Finlayson. Watch the crossfire. You guys have a shield back here? Shield up. He might be. It's up there. It's the car right there. You can see it. Get behind that car. On your left. On your left.
Behind you there.
Behind our shield. All right. I got it.
As of now, all units are good.
Jax, you got a shield?
Unsure of the suspect.
Sweetie, let's get the bear cat rolling up here.
Watch crossfire. We have officers to the west, just north of the vehicle.
Get the bear cat.
Yeah, bear cat.
MPD has guys going around to the east.
Do we know if everyone's out of that squad rolling?
I think so. We got a couple guys on the right.
We got a couple guys in the wood and a couple to the left.
Shooting 2-4, we are on scene.
You good? I emptied the second clip. Did you shoot? Oh, 17. I did.
Give guys some cover though, alright?
I think that's safe entry to the
Yeah, we don't have any coverage.
on fire. Alright. Yeah, we still shooting. You table? Okay. So when I was up here, he was still sitting up. When that rifle started shooting, I think he's across the seat this way. Because he was still up when I was up on the hill.
You want to go back? Let's go back. Come on. 9495, have medical stage. What did you say with me, alright?
Guys,
got a Bearcat coming in. Stay with me.
You got good eyes in front of it. I don't see anybody here. Let's get folks down.
Just take some breaths, man. You're good.
You got good eyes in front of it.
Nate, did you hear they got a Bearcat coming? They got a Bearcat coming?
Yeah. But he's still stepping on the gas.
He's gonna get out.
I don't know, I just flat out.
Yeah, let's get back.
You're all right.
You guys have no reason to rush this.
You're not hurt though? You're okay?
I think
so. All right. All right.
You're gonna push to where they are?
Stand by, guys. Wait for the Bearcat. No easy rushes.
They have a Bearcat en route. Bearcat en route.
We don't need everybody coming off from the car.
Back up! Back up!
Do not approach the car. The Bearcat is coming.
Sir! No! Sir! Get back!
We're calling everybody back. I'll phone chop that as well. Are there any suspects out?
Negative. No one left the vehicle.
Bearcat's coming?
Yeah, Bearcat's coming. We're hanging tight. We're going to let him sit right now. We are northbound in position. I want you to come up on the passenger side. We're going to form an L on the vehicle. We're going to lock this vehicle down, and then we're going to take a look. Squish it. All right, 715 MCSO. We're gonna place a bang on the hood and see if we can get any stimulants. MCSO, you got anything as far as movement? Negative on movement.
When officers searched the vehicle, they found Michael deceased. According to Fox 6 Milwaukee, a Glendale and a Milwaukee officer fired, along with an FBI agent. 35 spent casings from their firearms were recovered, and Michael was found with 11 gunshot wounds. Police later found 9 spent casings fired from inside Michael's car. The medical examiner's office discovered methamphetamine in his system. The Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office later ruled the officers to be justified in their use of force and were cleared of any wrongdoing. The Shorewood officer who was shot was quickly released from the hospital, thanks to his ballistic vest, as was Victoria's landlord. According to court documents, Michael Griffin had a history of domestic abuse and violence. In 2009, he pleaded guilty to possessing a dangerous weapon under the age of 18 and battery, leading to a suspended 6-month prison sentence in favor of 1 year of probation. According to the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel, Michael was also arrested by Milwaukee police in 2013 for domestic abuse. However, the district attorney's office declined to prosecute. He was also arrested in 2020 and 2021 for separate cases of felony first-degree recklessly endangering safety, but those cases were also not prosecuted. 2 months prior to Victoria Truss's murder, she had called the police saying that her boyfriend possessed a gun and wouldn't leave her house. According to Victoria's cousin, she finally was able to kick Michael out of her house the day before her murder.
She was a strong young lady, hard worker. Like, she always had a job, always had a good job. And she always made sure her and her son never had to struggle. Soon I found out that it was her. My heart just dropped. I've been in the world 53 years. I've been here long enough. I just wish I could trade places with my daughter just so she could be here with her son. I'm gonna miss that about my baby. I'm never gonna hear her voice.